Have you ever dreamed of building a side hustle but felt overwhelmed? What if I told you it's possible, even if you have no camera, no experience, and just 7 days? Today, I'll share my journey of starting an online hustle using only AI tools like ChatGPT, Pictory, and Canva. Spoiler alert, while I didn't get rich, I built something real. And you can too! Let's kick things off with day 1. I knew I needed to choose a hustle that was low risk, scalable, and fast to start. So I turned to ChatGPT. I asked it for the best online side hustle that you can automate with AI tools. The top suggestion? Digital product creation. Think ebooks, templates, and printables. These products don't require inventory. Perfect for a faceless creator like me. On day 2, I began brainstorming product ideas. I asked ChatGPT for 10 profitable digital product concepts based on AI, productivity, or finance. The response was a goldmine. I chose to create an AI productivity journal, a digital download styled like Notion. Day 3 was all about design. I opened Canva, selected a free template, and pasted in the outline ChatGPT had provided. A bit of formatting for a modern look, a few AI icons, and in under 2 hours, my product was designed. Without AI, this could have taken days. Then came day 4, where I needed a sales page. Again, I turned to ChatGPT. I prompted it to write a high-converting sales page for my journal. It gave me the whole structure, a catchy headline, and even call-to-action buttons. I quickly pasted it into Gumroad, and just like that, I was live. On day 5, I was ready to create my promo video. This part truly surprised me. I used Pictory's script-to-video feature, pasting in my product description. In just 10 minutes, it pulled relevant clips, added music, and even a voiceover. I had a promo video ready for posting. Day 6 was all about sharing my work. I posted the video on YouTube and trimmed it for Facebook and Instagram Reels. No face, no mic, just AI doing the heavy lifting. I was excited to see a few clicks right away, with 0 ad spend. Finally, on day 7, I took a moment to reflect. After these 7 days, I had a finished product, a sales page, a video ad, and traffic from multiple platforms, all achieved in under 5 hours total. Thanks to AI, I avoided any burnout. If you've been hesitating to start your side hustle, let my story be proof. You don't have to do it all alone. AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Pictory can help you get started more quickly and easily. If you want me to share the exact prompts I used, drop a comment below. I'll make a follow-up video. And don't forget to subscribe for more strategies on generating income without being in front of the camera.